Yeah! Today's video, guys, we got two stories. One is we found another bike, guys, that's like laying around right on the side of the road, guys. People, they just throw out. And second one is parts for our bike, guys. Hi guys, what's good? Check this out, guys. I need to go back on this one because these guys, they throw out the bike, guys. Look at that. Wow, another bike. Let's take a look if it's still good. Just put in the hazard. They have this one, guys. Like, you can play with this. I have a friend that needs a bike. You know, I can give it to him. But it's not gonna fit in my car, guys. Yo, it's not gonna fit in my car. I have a lot of stuff. Yo, I have a lot of stuff at the back. My trunk is full, so I gotta pick it up. It's another parts for our bike, guys. And we're gonna change this in purple also. Alright, guys, so I'm trying to take this one out, but I don't have the spray, nothing else, guys. Well, maybe this cream can help out, you know, guys. Then we're gonna try to pull it. Too hard, guys. That screwdriver, if it helps. Oh yeah, it helps. Glue gun. Maybe glue gun is helping. Is gonna help. Let's see. Just do like this. To help. Oh yeah, that was so easy. It came out like that. Quick and easy, guys. Let's do it. Let's do it on the other side, guys. You know, just do this a little bit, guys, and then spray the whatever you have to the grease. There you go. It's so simple and easy, guys. Which one to switch? Maybe it doesn't matter. You slide it like that. Ooh. Hi, mother. Okay. Look at that. It's so sexy. Woohoo! Wow. Wow. I'm not sure on how it looks like in the camera, guys. Nice grip. I think I have a good grip. Purple, black and purple. Hey, sexy one. Black and purple. Black and purple. Looks so good, guys. All right, so hey guys, so I think we're gonna end it here, guys. That is the installing part of this project we have. So yeah, that's it for today. We did DoorDash and things like that, and then we do this. All right, guys, so thank you again for watching this video, daily vlogging, guys. See you next time. Bye. Alright, so we have a finished product, guys. Yo, I just look so happy with this one, guys. Look at that. Hey. Yeah. So sexy now. Super, super sexy.